What's good, y'all? It is Matt. Today we are with the 350Z. If we try to unlock our door and give it a little open, it doesn't want to open very well easily. So we have to tug it kind of hard. Now, first thing that I would think of normally, or that I've been told, is that I might have a stretched wire or stretched cable. But from the inside, it opens just fine. You can hear it just opening just fine. So a common problem that happens with the 350Z is that the door handle will eventually break. Oh gosh. And this has gotten way worse over the course of maybe 1 month. I noticed that it started going out. We have ordered a new door handle on Amazon. This was 20-ish bucks. The OEM ones are like over $100 or around $100. But if you compare these two, they're very similar. They feel very similar in terms of like, so we're gonna take it apart, fix this, and show you guys how to do that, and hopefully fix our door for 20 bucks. So here are the tools that we are using today. We have a piece of paper. You don't actually need this. And a magnet. You don't actually need this, but you do need a ratchet. And I don't know what size, but there's gonna be 2 bolts. We're gonna take out probably like a 10 or a 12 or a 14. We'll figure it out and post it here. But let's get to it. It shouldn't take too long. Oh, and you need an extension. So what we're gonna do first is just pull these tabs off, which should expose a bolt right here and right here. What we do with the piece of paper here is we're gonna roll it, because we have nothing to stop this bolt from getting lost. All right, here we go. So basically we're sliding this piece of paper in now so that the bolt does not fall out. And then if it does fall out, it's falling out into the piece of paper instead of the panel. We are trying to make sure that we don't lose this bolt, because we'd have to get under, it'll fall in, and it's not fun, but it's not it's not the end of the world if it does. I would just prefer that not to happen. And then we take our magnet and we grab it. And now we can reseat it with the magnet when we bring it back in. So we'll do that with the other side now. Yeah, this one's a little easier to see because I have a bolt that is normal. I'm just gonna use a screwdriver for it. I'm pretty sure these have magnetic tips too, so I should be all right. Psych. Oh, yeah, here it is. Okay. The door handle should just be wiggling off now. Okay, so there are 2 metal rods that we have right here. Okay, so we'll take the pink one out, we'll take the lock out here, and then we'll be ready to pull this all out and replace it. Okay, let's pull the lock off first. So we just have 1 screw here, or 1 bolt. Should be a 10 probably. This is the new part. We have ordered it from Amazon. It was about 20 bucks. Looks like this just slots into there. This tab is just supposed to like lift up, and I'm supposed to be able to wiggle this off. Let me see if I can. Nice, I got it off. Whew. Pain. Okay. Okay, so this should just push right in like that. Here we go. It's in. This is ready to go into the Z. This here, we're gonna just like line it up the same way and stick it into the blue area. It looks like there's a spot for it pretty much. to just slot right in. And then we're gonna bolt this lock on the same way it was, and it should just be hopefully good. Okay, it's in. So now I'm going to bolt this in. Okay, we want to make sure that stays in. Now, the way this is designed here, you can see that there's a tab on the bottom that's going to go under the panel and in. We got to make sure everything stays together, but it should be all right. Okay. Okay, we've gotten them to line up very well. Let's get the bottom one on. Okay. Not often does fixing the car go to plan, but when it does, it feels pretty good. Gotta make sure our locking mechanism, everything looks cool. Woo! There it is. $20 fix for the 350Z. Sticky door handle. I was really not driving the Z because of that. Thank you for coming along and fixing the door on the Z with me. Thanks for all the recent support, y'all. Appreciate you. Hope to see y'all in the next video, and we'll see you next time. Peace out.